So we're going to come up to our panel and we're going to try to find a nice edge to leave at the top. I like this one right here, so we got lucky on this. So I'm going to mark this as our top. So we brought over our measurements and we marked this as the top, so there's our top. So you got to picture this standing up on the tub. So this is our tub, bottom, and there's our height. So we've got our measurements. We got 58.5 on the left side and 59 to adjust for the tub being out of level. So we're going to mark that right now. So these measurements cannot change because we want that panel to be level. So we're going to replicate what we did over there. We have our straight edge. This was sitting on the tub. We adjusted for level to be level across the top. We didn't have any weaves and bobs or dips in our tub, so we can mark that as a straight line. And in reality, you could just cut this off because it's going to be standing up. You want it level, you want it to match the tub. Done deal. So we marked our height. Now we need to get this funky algae thing that we've created over here, and you're going to learn it here at Whitewater. So you got to picture this standing up on the tub. So this is sitting on the tub. And then what happened is we hit a wall at the top, didn't we? So boom, our outage or our square hit the sheetrock at the top, but it was a ½ inch away here at the bottom. So we want to fill that gap in with marble. So this is wall, and this is where our square is, and we want to fill that in with marble. So we said it was a ½ inch from our paper, and we want to fill that in with marble. So we're touching the wall here. We want to touch the wall here. So we're going to swing that over like this, and we're going to draw a line. So we've left our straight edge marking our wall on the right side, and now we're going to do our widths to mark the left side. And we said we were 58 5/8 at the bottom, and I think it's the same at the top, and it is. So 58 5/8 at the top. Like I say, you can cut this off if you'd like. It just depends, because it has to fit in between the walls. It has to be level off the tub. So we're going to mark our line, and we'll be ready to cut. All right, so that's how we measure a back panel. We should be ready to cut.